Manipuri Kunaida Draki Zaiteng Nibasi Miam the Wakalta, the Batagini Hyper Motion. I stand strongly oppose this motion, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, Kautaliagi Arthasastra, the Saptanga theory of state Hibam Yauri. Hari Batheory is Nahari Madudi, state Hibasi Makong Tariat Pali, Makoi Singadudi, Swami Amatya Janapada, Durga Kosa Danda Mitrane, Hibadi, King, Minister, Territory, a fortified capital, Treasury, Aduga State, Judiciary, Executive, Hibani. Hari Makong Singasea, I'm a hex Swebada, Laibak Adu Kang Kong Sai Haidana. Hosiki Matamda, Makong Tari Kadishunate, Mr. Speaker, sir, CM of the Magi Minister Singh, Bureaucrats, Government Department Singh, Home Department, Amadi Hojik Matangi, Legislature, Executive, Amadi Judiciary, Sibuni, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, Draki Semesa, so highly Makong Singasea, so with the Gitolak Pangatani, Maramaduna, Nasi Manipuri Kunai, the Draki Saiteng Nibias, Miam, the Wakalta, the Badagini have a moss and a Silani, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir. Popi Pambi Mana, Mayol Song, but the Mapal Saba Power with the Chung Libamatamas 90 days. Hibadi 3 months as a Home Department of Kangdaba, Amadi, Moria the Impaltam the Pusilapangam Libas in the time Madudi, State Police Amadi, Central Police Personnel Singi Marakta, Poham Karayawe Habas, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, Hadak the ASI Mokul the Gidraka Konana Paba, SI must suspend Tokiba, 2013 the Colonial Macro Gidraka Konana Paba, Draki Kesa Chenaba, Police Personnel Magilanteri, our Pinamba Miangi. Pressure the Gilo talk about in the time of the Draki Samasa, executive failure no Henbany, executive Singna, Puxel Singlaba Matam that Draki Samasa, Lotion Bangam, Mr. Speaker, Maramadan Moss and Sidilali, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, Manipur government 1985 Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act passed over Grabasu, Nasi Pawada, Draki Samasa, Adumak Tinga, Mr. Speaker. Masita Natana, NTPS Eki Maka, the Judicial Magistrate, Amadi, Narcotic Control Bureau, the Power Hena Pirabasu, Nasi Pawada, Tabak when the Mr. Speaker, Masita Nata NTPS Eki Makada, Parabamatung, Tadopaki percentage as in a 90% Aduka conviction rate na Subnatangi 10%, Mr. Speaker. NTPS Ekasa, loopholes na Pictalaba, Maya Yaudrabaka Yamagumani, Mr. Speaker. Exing as a known Ementor Matam data, Drakis Association Bangam, Mr. Speaker. Maramaduna, Miam Wakalta, the Batini Hypermosan as the Lali, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, Hosiko Riba, Manipur situation, Nasika, Drak Asukematic Marila, Nariban, Mr. Speaker. Drug Hosik Lariba Manipur situation Nasida, Su the Linary Balalhuba Kaya, drug trafficking, poppy cultivation, the Yoxin Batanatana, parallel economy Masamgatuna, arms, ammunition, Kamalari, Mr. Speaker. Maramaduna, Su Tonariba Samokan review to Machangi, Mr. Speaker. Masita Natana, Golden Triangle, Natana Manipur, Myanmar, Batanatana, Golden Triangle, Nabasuadi, Mr. Speaker. Maramaduna, Manipurga, Myanmar, kind of a border as a fencing President Obama Changi, Mr. Speaker. Masika Matanga, Manipur government, Ministry of Home Affairs, the Taksin Bamachangi, Mr. Speaker. Nagata Mapam Sing the border fencing to Ava, Peter Basu, Kukito Taba Mapam Sing the border fencing to Ava, Peter Manamara Moraga, Sambal Kada in called the Sanjang Habas and Mausani, Mr. Speaker. Kupnang Silaudabadi, Kabuiko, beginning Namang Hotron Hoiba, Todo Taro, the Maram later, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, Poppy Plantation, Tingana Bagidamakta, State Kibazet, Sikima Power Hapta Maramna, State Kibazet like Taker Poppy Plantation, Tingadori, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, Draki Samasasa, Hiram Ohun Kakana Waroshin for Pangam, Mr. Speaker. Makoising at the Charibami, Yolibami, Amadi government, Sariba missing a Sigi, long term rehabilitation policy, Atuba the Sarkana, Atuba the Darkaro, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, Yoliba missing as my income, others' life of Wapamasa, realized Obamachangi. Masiki Sumatata, government, livelihood Misankaya, some Nahara startup Kikana Panganbiva, MSME scheme Panganbiva, employment opportunity Kaya PB government. Must directive principles of state policy of Indian Constitution, the next Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, you alcohol been legalized to what to drug Marupang Mudakan Habasa, Atumba Hutakani, Akabu Hutingani Habakachaman, Mr. Speaker. Policies are reconsidered to Hodrabadi, Chief Minister Haxel Gitembang Powada, Liberty Rose Special Line, Navakat Europea, Masita Natana. Powerhouse of sports ni haina khang riba Manipur sa matam karagi matung the powerhouse of drugs and alcohol haina khang nakibasu Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, loisilak pada haizaning badi lairiba government asina Akogi Fazana utilize to Biraba, Xing as a implement Namadi execute to Biraba, Fazana to Biraba, Ladiba Karigumba to Vibataraga, if there is a willing the state government state is like a god. So Nasiki Mosan, Manipuri Kunai, the Draki Chiting Nibasi, Miam no Wakalta, the beginning I have a Mosan, around the state men over Maramna, Masi House to give with Roto Binaba, Mr. Speaker, Sir Gipong in the day. Miam Bomana Tagacha, thank you.